Good morning, students. Let us enjoy again a new lesson. This chapter, the second chapter from your honeysuckle, how the dog found himself a new master. This is from your honeysuckle. This is the second chapter, and it's a very interesting and very meaningful. Dear student, you might be knowing. You might have seen dog here and there. Nowadays, like anything in our surrounding, at your home and nearby and everywhere. Dog is a very faithful and very faithful pet and faithful animal. But now, in the early time, earlier, in the very beginning, he was just living like anything in the forest as a wolf were living, as a wolf, and he was not separate, and he was dogs were master of their own, like other wild animal, like other beasts. But he was just getting bored and wanted someone as a master stronger than dog himself. So he decided to make someone as a master, because he was in search of food all the time, and he was sick of anything, and he was afraid of other animal stronger than dog in the jungle, in the forest. That's why he decided to become servant of someone instead of becoming a master of own master. That's why he just roaming here there, and he happened he met a wolf there. First of all, dog met a wolf there in the jungle, and wolf asked, "Where are you roaming?" He asked, "I am in search of." He spoke, "I am in search of some master, someone to be master, to be my master. I want to serve with them." So, and he asked wolf, "Would you like me as a servant?" So it is very common, if you want to become servant to someone, automatic someone will okay. He will say yes. So wolf agreed, and dog and wolf, they started living, but it was very short life. A bit of time they could live, and in the long run it was not successful. So wolf was trying to hide here and there. So dog asked, what is wrong with you? Why are you hiding yourself in this way?" Wolf spoke, "Bear is coming." So the dog thought bear is stronger than wolf. That's why he left wolf and made bear his master. Now dog started living with bear, and it was also short-lived. It was not for a long time, and after some few moments, bear saw a lion, and he just started running like anything. He was just hiding, trying to hide himself here and there. Again, dog is asking, what is the problem with, what is wrong with you? And bear spoke, "Lion is coming." So dog thought that bear is afraid of lion. Lion is very ferocious and very fierce and stronger than bear. That's why he just hiding himself and not ready to face lion. So he just started living with lion. Dog started living with lion, and for a long time he could live and he could enjoy, and he gave his services to lion, and he was very happy with lion, because in the opinion of dog, in the view of dog, lion was the strongest animal and strong in the beast and the strongest all wild animal. But it was also not for a long time. After some time, he saw that lion is afraid of man. He could smell the appearance of man, and lion also trying to hide himself here and there, and dog is asking, what is the problem, what is matter, what is wrong with you? He again, so I smelled man, and it would be better if you both run away, otherwise we will be in the trouble. So at last dog left lion and started living with man, until now. Dog is very faithful and very loyal to man, and he is now you see you just keep a dog as a pet in your home, and you love doggy, and you see all each and everyone we all like dog as a pet, because dog is very faithful and very loyal to person. Until now dog is living with man like very like a family member, and he's very loving to man, and very loving to a dog, and this is very interesting. It is very meaningful that the dog first of all made wolf, thereafter bear, thereafter lion, and at last he found man and in the opinion of dog, man is the strongest in all creatures, among all creatures. So that's why he just he made man his master, and till now he is living with man like anything, and he's buying all sort of thing whatever he needs. So you see that through this way dog found man as a new master. How the dog found himself a new master? Now through this way you can guess yourself. It's very easy that dog at last found man, strongest of all, and with man he is living, and very loyal to man and very faithful to man, and living a very nice life with man. Okay, it is to be continued. Thank you all.